welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm going to be using a hard gel. This is a video I seen on Young Nails. They do a set of sculpted hard gel nails, but they use these full cover tips as a kind of jewel form. I'm just getting the shiny surface off my nails there. I've already pushed my cuticles back. I've already got rid of all the dead skin. So I'm just going to quickly put some dehydrator on them and put some primer on them. Yeah, this video I've seen at Young Nails, they literally use full cover tips like the Gel-X and the Apres system, but instead of curing them onto your nail with a really thin layer of base gel or something, they actually use a bigger size nail tip and fill it with hard gel and use that. You'll see later on in the video. It's hard for me to explain but this is what I'm using. It's Venalisa hard gel, jelly gel, and it's number A07, and the colour of this one is Elegant Pink. It's a beautiful colour. I'm sorry, I'm full of a cold, so I'm going to be snotting all over you. Listen. Oh, I'm dying. Anyway, that is the gel. I've not used this yet. I've been dying to use it. Right, so these are the tips. Normally, when you're putting these tips on and you're leaving them on your nails, you would etch the inside. We're not going to etch the inside because we're going to be popping these off like you would with a jewel form. So, instead of putting just a really thin layer in, I'm going to do like I would do with a jewel form, because it's going to be your nail, so you're going to need the apex to be thick. You're going to need a bit of strength and structure. I am going for a shorter set this week. I just want a shorter set because I've got a lot of things to do around the house this next couple of weeks, so I wanted a shorter set. So I'm just filling that full cover nail up with this hard jelly gel, making sure I keep it as thin as I can at the cuticle area, making sure it's right up the sides of that tip, and I'm literally just going to press it onto my nail. Because it's not a poly gel, it's not a thick gel, I don't have to press it on really hard to get the air bubbles and stuff out. I'm literally just placing it onto my nail, and I'm giving it a few seconds just to self-level underneath. And I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I keep making sure it's straight and faffing about trying to get that little air bubble out at the cuticle area. So yeah, that's going in the lamp for 60 seconds now. Right, so that is that one done. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit and do another one with you. Again, I'm just putting quite a bit of product in, just enough product that you would do if you was building the nail normally. Just think about how thick you're going to need it. I didn't need them too thick because they are just a short set. But yeah, I'll let you watch and I will be back. Right guys, that's them all on. As usual, I had to use a normal jewel form for my thumb because I haven't found any of these full cover tips yet that fit my thumb. Now we've got to get these popped off. I started with the pinky, can't get it off, cannot get it off. And I know you're all going to ask me, why not just leave the tips on? And do you want my honest answer? I haven't got a clue. I haven't got a clue why they build nails like this and pop it off. I don't know why they just don't leave it on. But I wanted to give it a go anyway. So I moved on from the pinky, and this one popped off fine. Look at that. Straight off. Woohoo! And all the others, they come off quite easy as well. I think because that pinky is so narrow and so curved, it was a lot harder to get off than all the others. But because I didn't etch the inside of that tip, they just popped off just like a dual foam would. I eventually got this pinky off, but it was a lot harder. Someone said pop them straight off the minute they come out of the lamp whilst they're still warm. And I'd left these to cool down, so maybe I'll do that next time. But look at them. Look at that C-curve. Right, so hardly any filing. Hardly any at all. Just neatening them up, really. And some of them, you do get a little bit of a lip around the cuticle. And I just smoothed that out. That is all I had to do. I think next time I try it, I won't give them as long to self-level, because I left them a bit too long before I put them in the lamp, and it looked as though they were going to try and drip underneath, but it was fine. I filed them. So that's them all filed and all buffed. I really like them. So I've got a full set of hard gel sculpted nails. Easy peasy, quick, and they've got a beautiful shape. My thumb there had a bubble. I don't know if this is a thing. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but I just got out a little brush and just filled in that bubble with a bit of the product. Yeah, smoothed it out and then just cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds and gave it another buff. So yeah, I'll stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds and get it buffed. Right, I'm not going to be doing anything fancy to decorate these nails. I'm just going to paint them. I'm using 2 of these colours. These are some new gel polishes I've got. It's a purple set and they are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful little gel polishes these are. If I remember, I'll leave the link in my description box, because I haven't done a video on these. I swatched them off camera, but they're really nice gel polishes. So I'm just going to get these painted and top coated, and that'll be then finished.
Everything you're fighting for.
Right guys, that's them all painted and all finished. I really like them. I like the length and the shape as well. It's been quite a while since I've had short nails. Look at the colour of that gel polish, it's beautiful, I love it. But yeah, just a little hack that I've seen people doing. It was Young Nail's video that I watched them doing this, and I wanted to give it a go, and it was so easy. And I think people use these as a kind of dual form and pop them off just so that they can have that kind of shape. Or I don't know, if you wanted that shape, you'd just leave them on, wouldn't you? I don't know, no clue, but I've done it, it worked, and I really enjoyed it. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.